Welcome to the pain zone. It's where we live.
Just shut up and let me enjoy this pain.
Welcome to the pain zone. It's where we live.
When I'm hurt, I love it. I love that feeling because it's real.
Welcome to the pain zone. Pain zone.
فینگیری کله دلو نداره تاثیر گفتن حقیقت داخل کوسه نداره غم قلو
Pause.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement. The top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting. My day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces.
منطقه محروم ایتالیا بوده.
بچه‌ها صحبتون بخیر باشه. آقا سختی‌های کار اومدم روی تور دوربین وصل کنم دیگه. یکی بزن. نرفت دیگه چیکار کنیم؟ حاجی من چجوری بیام پایین؟ بچه‌ها به زور اومدم پایین. صحبتی نداری؟
به نظر من
Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
خب بیا با همجوری من یه جوری میافتم
الان میافتم
یا ابل فاس آقا استاد
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you sing along, trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid.
رو باید روش کنی